Hi everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be cleaning the guinea pig cage. I don't know what day this is, I'll check. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I clean the guinea pig cage. And we are actually ordering and the cage, I think tonight. And so yeah, I want to go ahead and show you like the cage cleaning area. I already took the, sorry my room's dirty. This is actually a blanket. I'm going to put in the new guinea pig cage. We got 2 yards of it from Joann's, not sponsored. But this is the before of the cage. The guinea pig is in there. He's doing really good. He's letting me pet him and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and take out his hutch and everything, and I'll put him in there. And yeah, I'll probably give him like a stack of hay on the plate. And yeah, so let's put the guinea pig on its new blanket right here. And I put him in his old cage he came in. And I give him some hay too from Chewy. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum like around there and stuff. And I'm going to take all of this out. My mom's dog came because I'm going to set up like her area in my room and stuff like that. Clean out all the animals' cages and feed them. Yeah.
Why?
So I just got the guinea pig bedding in this bag, and yeah, now I'm gonna fill it up with fresh bedding, and then by the time the next cleaning, I'm gonna have the new cage. And yeah, so I got the new pellets and the hidey house and toy and stuff like that. And hey, I just have to go ahead and fill up his water back. I'm gonna fill him new water. I just put his water in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the guinea pig in its cage. I just put the guinea pig in his cage now. I've refilled his pellets and his water and gave him hay. And I'll also fill up his hay tonight as well. And we are ordering the bigger cage soon. So my dog is outside right now, so that's why her water dish is not right there. But I already filled up her food dish. I'm going to make some wet food in her food, and then I'm going to put some water in it, and that's going to be her dinner. But I'm going to do that later. This trash can outside. So I just cleaned the turtle cage and the guinea pig cage, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. His pellets. Now I'm going to show you. I already filled up the dog's food. Now I'm going to show you the turtle cage. All nice and clean. Now I'm going to go do the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the bunny cage and put in new blankets, refill their water and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And here's a before. My grandma was supposed to feed them, and then she wasn't able to sweep it out. So I'm going to clean out all that today. The front area, now I just have to refill their waters and also clean inside their hutch. Inside of the hutch, now I just got to refill their waters. The bunnies, their pellets, and I just refilled both of their waters back there. And yeah, now I'm going to go and feed the cats. Sweep that out and then give them new food. For the cats, now I'm going to go feed the pregnant cats. They're starting to walk. Now I'm going to put this water slide up for me and my cousin, but he doesn't know yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Everybody, so sorry I didn't check in earlier, but I just took a nap and now it's like 7 o'clock at night, but that's all right. We were playing in the water slide and we also played in the mud, so I took a shower and stuff like that, but I already cleaned the rabbit hutch and stuff like that, and I cleaned all the cages and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rabbit hutch and stuff like that. I'm gonna let my dog go potty, and then I'm gonna feed her. Water slide, by the way, but it was really fun. I'm taking Cheyenne, my Labrador pit mix, to go potty for the night, and then I'm gonna take her to go potty out later as well. But yeah, I'm outside now, and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and she doesn't need a leash. I'm just put her on the leash so she can stay with me when I'm just taking her out right now because she needs to eat for tonight. I have to feed the guinea pig for tonight because he just started squeaking. I'm going to have to give it some more hay and also fill up its food bowl, and its water is perfectly fine. You smell the guinea pig? You smell the guinea pig? Yeah. So now I'm just going to mix some wet food in her food bowl and then put some water in it. So I'm going to go do that now, and also, yeah, eat. Good girl. Okay guys, so we have her in the laundry room for now. We don't want a dog here in the house or anything. Well, my grandma doesn't. But I'm going to go ahead and go get her water bowl and fill that up and put it back. So I just put in the water dish and her food, and now I'm going to go check on the kittens. And then do the guinea pig. So the mamas are eating, and now want to look at everybody. So here are the kittens. And then 2 are over here, right there, and right there.